I'll buy musical, Vandalia, and fairs full of music students, and t-shirt, rainbow t-shirt, or pancake, and I love you, Faith Frankie Valley. Let's give them a round of applause.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Take my eyes off you.
Pardon the way that I said, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. All I feel I feel, you let me know that you're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Pretty baby, that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby, let me love you. Can't take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. This love has arrived. Oh, I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I love you, baby. It's quite alright. I need you, baby. To warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down. I pray, oh, pretty baby, that I'd have found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
Bakit constantly ang napili mong kanta?
Actually, fourth year high school ako nung first na narinig ko tong song. And then by that time, hindi pa ako marunong mag-interpret ng songs. Few lines lang. Then, naging song ko to dun sa crush ko.
Since the song expresses a feeling of falling in love with someone who is committed already, na-experience mo na ba ito? And how did you deal with your feelings?
Actually, funny kasi parang baliktad. By that time, ako yung in a relationship. And naging song ko yun dun sa crush ko. And then, paano ako nag-deal? I-shortcut ko na lang. After a few months, naging kami na. So, yun.
Though I try to hide, the feeling is kept on shining through. Haven't known you that long, so I try to deny it, but the feeling was much, too strong. Could it be love? But deep down inside, tearing me apart, I feel it in my heart constantly. You're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I can't sleep, no matter what I do. I just keep on thinking about you. Why do I feel this way? Even though you have someone, and you're seeing each and every day. Should I play this game of just being your friend? But I know that's not where I want it. No matter what I do, I just keep on thinking about you. Constantly, you're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I can't sleep, no matter what I do. I just keep on thinking about you. No, I don't want to start no trouble between you and your lover. But I must tell you what I'm going through. Every time you walk by, I see love in your eyes. Thinking about you all the time. I can't sleep, no matter what I do. I just keep on thinking about you. Constantly, you're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I can't sleep, no matter what I do. I just keep on thinking about you.
Bakit Die With a Smile ang napili mong kanta?
Paborito ko po kasi si Bruno Mars. In a way, naka-relate po ako sa kanta at sa mensahe niya. Kasi po, para sa akin, ang mensahe niya is finding happiness and fulfillment being with the person you love till your last breath.
Since the song explores the bittersweet reality of life, which is we'll all return to our Creator anytime, sino yung taong pinapahalagan mo ng sobra sa buhay mo? At ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa kanya or sa kanila?
Ang gusto ko pong sabihan ay si Lola. Si Lola po talaga. Kasi po, hindi talaga ako nakasabi ng goodbye sa kanya bago siya mamatay. So, ang gusto ko po sa kanyang sabihin, thank you for everything, goodbye, and I love you through this song.
was an amazing performance performed by Ivo Ezequiel Remoto, aka Bruno Mars ng Legazpi!
Bakit I Think They Call This Love ang napili mong kanta?
Masarap kasi ito pakinggan.
So since the song expresses the feeling of being in love, naranasan mo na bang magka-crush o maging crush?
Opo.
Paano ka nagka-crush sa kanya at anong mga traits na nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Mabuti po siyang tao at napaganda niya. Yan lang po. They say you know when you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss, two lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're in my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Oh, I think they call this love. What could this be between you and me? Oh, all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me it's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call, oh, I think they call, yes, I think they call this love, this love.
Good afternoon, everyone! Naugma man ka mo sa samuyang simpleng handa? Ayo, kasi kung di mi ka mo napaugma, mamumundo kami. Okay, so, let me start with a question. Alam niyo ba kung gaano na ako katagal kumakanta? Sino ang makakahula? Sige, dito, mga ilang taon? 35? Enge. How about here? 20? 23? Okay. Actually, kung pirang years na ako nagakanta, it is 30 years. 30 years na. So, actually, kasubanggi, tigurumdum ko kasi I did this presentation. Tigurumdum ko mananggad kung kailan ako nag-start magkanta. So, ang narurumduman ko, when I was kinder, tigpaparapakanta na ako nina papa pag-abot sa mga school, intermission number, o kundi nga pag may mga party sa office ninda, tigpaparapakanta ako, tigvo-volunteer ako kang father ko. So, possible, sabi ko, kasi tigurumdum ko, very vivid, kinder ako kaito. Tapos maski itong bulan-bulanan baga, nagkakanta na ako kaito. So, sabi ko, possibly I was 4 or 5. So, nagkukwenta na kamo kung pirang edad ko. Okay. So, today, gusto kong i-share sa Indogabos, how involving your kids in music develops them to be a better person. Okay? Kasi ang nahihiling din doon yan is, an event filled with music. And gusto ko siyang i-relate mo niyan sa recital me. So, ready na kamo na maaraman? Kung paano? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So, I want to share it with you through a song. Okay lang ba kantahan ko kamo? Okay lang. Sige. So, this is a song from Whitney Houston, Greatest Love of All. So, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. The first 3 lines, yan. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Parents or anyone na adult na yaon digde, guardian, tita or tito, 10 to 15 years from now, how your kids will become depends on how you treat them today. Okay? So, actually, ang father ko talaga ang nakadiscover kang sa kuyang talent. So, ang pinaka very first influence ko, ang sa kuyang tugang na babae. Okay? Siya talaga ang matibay magkanta. So, yaon siya ngunyan. Pakitindog man tabi ate. Nadadangog nindo ang kamaligback, rural siya ito. Sorry na ate. So, ngunyan, kikurab ako. Okay lang ba? Palakpakan nyo man ako. Nganing mawarang-urab ko. Kikurab talaga ako. Okay. So, ini talaga si ate ko ang matibay magkanta. Ngunyan, ini si ate, tapos si papa, sige nindang practice. Almost every day. So, ang harong mi, igwa kisarong lugar, okay, it's a stair. Literal na stair, tasaro man sana. Okay? Diyan nagkakanta si ate. Ngunyan, dahil nga ni permisin na nagkakanta, ni papa, di naiiling ko bilang aki pa. So here comes na tig-aarog ko siya. So tig-i-imitate ko ang motion niya. Pag nagbabayli siya, tig-aarog ko. Here comes na iling ito ni Papa. So, ngunyan, dahil nailing ni Papa na, sabi niya, okay, sige try. Tigbakalan niya ako, he bought me a tape. Yan. So, iyan ang pinakainot kong tape. Alright. Sisi ang nakaka-relate sa tape. Pakitaas kang kamot. Uy, mga gurang mo, no? Okay. Amen. Mga ano lang kita, naggugurang sa wisdom. Yan. So, my very first song was from Lea Salonga, and it goes like this. I am but a small voice, I am but a small dream, to smile upon the sun. Be free to dance and sing. Be free to sing my song to everyone. So, duman na ito nagpuon. Si Papa, pirmi ako i-volunteer. And this time, bako na sa school, bako na sa office, contest na. Aurora. So, Aurora. Actually, nag-go further. Aurora, bako lang sa Ligaspi, Aurora sa Bakakay, amateur singing contest sa Naga, sa Tabaco, maski sa iin na kompetisyon. So, during the time, syempre, dahil bako pa man ako arog kay ito katatao, I don't win. I always lose. Pero may ako nadadaog. Syempre, mga kalaban ko, ano yan, ang mga kanta na da, I who have nothing. Tapos ako, I am but a small voice. So, dahil nagra-rhyme. Pero, ayan, si Papa ko, nagpadagos na magtubod sa sakuya. Nagpadagos siyang, dahil siya nag-give up sa sakuya. So, parents, you should be the first person to see what gifts your children have, and you should also be the first person to help them discover if they still don't know it. Dapat kamo ito. So si Papa ko and si Mama ko siya ito. Ngunyan, arambanin do kung paano maaaraman. Kung ano ang gift or kung paano yan madidiscover, ano ang talent kang akin na yan. Arambanin do kung ano. Ask me how. Okay. Get them involved in activities or hobbies. But with your support and supervision. Alam niyo ba kung paano nag-start ang Flair School of Music? May saro lang na parent na nag-ranis ako, sabi niya, Miss Jess, pwede mo turuan ang aki ko magkanta? Sabi ko, okay. But it was years bago ito nangyari. Kasi I'm used to singing, pero di ako used magturo. So kanina po na nailing nitong first 4 students. Palakpakan ta po, Sinda. Ayan. Day ko lang Sinda tinuran maninda ako kung paano maging teacher. Look for ways to get them involved. Kaya gusto kong palakpakan ta ang mga parents na yaon digdi, parents ka mga student, because they give their children the opportunity to discover that talent. So, ikadua, give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. When you see your kids, nephews or niece, or any children, always see your child version to them. Okay? Kasi madalas kaya di ba, usually kids cry over small things. Di ba, na mga masardayo to na ba, nag-iiriwal. Pero, that's natural. Kasi nga ni Aki Sinda. And, once upon a time, arog din kita ninda. Diba? So, during that time, during that time, kang panahon, abo ko man talaga, bilang sarong Aki, abo ko man ang tigagibo ko. So, pag ma-intra na kami sa contest, sabi ko, ma-intra na naman. Pero gusto ko magkanta, pero so practice, paulit-ulit, di ko siya gusto. Kasi nga Aki pa ako during that time. So, di ko pa siya naiintindihan. So I remember, me and Papa will repeatedly practice a song. Pag sumali ng contest, tas di nanalo, alam niyo kung ano nangyayari. O di balik naman Utrobanggi. Utrobanggi, so judge, ako na naman ang mahihiling. So dapat matagpo ko na ako lang ang contestant. Tanganin, sure nang gana ako. And hindi pa. Di nagpupundo ang father ko hanggat di ako makasabay sa grand finals. O, di ba? And hindi pa. Si Mama. O, si Mama kuyaon man digdi. Palagpakat naman ang sa kuyang ina. Ini naman ang role ni Mama. Pagsakay, mit na nagmumotor lang kami kang panahon. Pagsakay ming motor, puon sa harong me hanggang duman sa destinasyon, nangangadji siya ki Rosario. So kung halimbawa, okay, ngunyan naisip ko, and even after the contest, nanggana sa dae, pag ulit me, ang kapot niya manggila yun, Rosaryuhan. And ngunyan na nagkaisip na ako, actually naisip ko ang mga destination mi kang panahon, Pulanggi, Naga, Tiwi, sabi ko nakakapirado na misteryo si Mama. Pag nangangadji siya. Kasi talagang, she always pray. Talagang fervent na maray siya magpara-pray. So parents, be patient with your kids. Because once upon a time, we also acted like them. It's natural na magfi-fail sinda, paulit-ulit. Kita baga iuman kang panahon. Pero because of that failure, that's where we learn. They will cry, they will be stubborn. Diba? Taraman mo na mag-practice, abok mag-practice. Taraman mo na nag-ibon ini, abok man. There are times they will test your patience. Understand them and be the bigger person. Diamonds are made under great pressure. Be with your precious diamonds. Be with your kids every step of the way. Don't just pray for them, pray for yourself. Kasi kaipuhan din nindoki courage para magibo ini. So mga aki, mataram ang mga magurang, kami na sa nangaya pirmi. Mga aki, mga students ni Jora, mga students ko din, na mga aki pa. When your parents want to involve you to an activity or group or a hobby, di ka mo mauyam. Ako kaya kang panahon, nauuyaman ako. Ako na masabi, di ka mo mauyam. Because they are just helping you develop yourself. Okay? Or, if they are telling you to avoid or stop certain things, it's because they are protecting you as well from something harmful. Kaya, di ba, during vocal exercise, paulit-ulit kita. Di ba, pag di nakuha, medyo may flat, ulit na naman. Because it's through that repetition that we learn. And most of all, we are teaching you how to be discipline. Kasi po, mga aki, dipisilon na maging talented pero nakula ang payo. Dipisilon. Knew a lot of musicians, nadarakula ang mga payo. Mga matitibay man kung sa matibay, pero grabe. Bako maray. So, it's through your humble beginnings na tigde-develop ang sa indong disiplina. So everyone, aram nindo, I will not be here in front of you sharing this, kundi dahil sa magurang ko. And I won't be doing this recital. Actually po ining recital, pinakainot ko ining recital. This is my very first recital. Dakulon man ki mga glitches, pero mas gusto ko hilingon so mas magayon na part. Yaraong kamo, di ko tiga-expect ini. I won't be doing this recital. I won't be passing on this gift if not because of the good memories that I had with music when I was a child. Bako siya perfect. But it was deeply planted because God put me in the right soil my family.
Together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. As high as souls can fly, the clouds roll by for.
Palakpakan tawa sa Lyrica. Thank you very much.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome once again, and of course, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. Sa Can't Help Falling in Love, a recital. Yeah, Can't Help Falling in Love with Music, a recital. Bago po ang gabos, mapamidbid po muna ako sa Indo. Ako po si Joram Aris Balion. Initial ko po ang JAB. And it feels so surreal na tiga-taram ko ining JAB, so brand, wow. But anyway, a 27-year-old dreamer, so I'm a dreamer like you all, who is passionate about music, wants to use the platform of music to advocate for youth empowerment and mental health. So why? Because I think that music is not just about music. Music is something more. And I want to use it. And anyway po, ako po ay BS Psychology student sa Agawam Medical and Educational Center. That's why I want to use that and to maximize the power and the magic of music. So sa iba, sa iling ninda hobby lang, pampalipas oras lang, but they don't know the real story behind or the deeper story of music na ang iba, ito ang way para magkaigwaki marhay na relasyon sa pamilya ninda. Ang iba, ito ang tigagamit nganing aram po nito, familiar ka mo sa music therapy? Yeah, psychology, a very psychology. But this is very important, lalong-lalo na yan sa mundo ta. Like, we tend to put too much attention sa mga stress and everything na di na kita nagkakaigwa kay chance to pause, to relax,
And I want to use music para duman. And also, sa youth empowerment, as a trainer, I don't want to teach music na para lang magtugtog. But I want to encourage them. I want to empower them na kaya ninda, may kaya sindang gibuhon, and at the same time, kaya nindang mag-inspire sa simpleng bagay na tigigibo ninda. Ini po ang pinakainot na mga firsts ko actually. So, yan pong blue, yan po ang Dragon North Central School Rondalia. That was the first ever school-based Rondalia group na bilog ko. So that was before pandemic pa. And ayan pong logo, ang black. I am also proud to say that some members of Albay Cathedral Youth Rondalia are here. So yan po ang Albay Cathedral Youth Rondalia. Yan. Tindog ka mo. And sinda po mga membro kang Albay Cathedral na-found ko din, nabilog ko din. So, church-based na Rondalia group, tanganing gamiton ang musika sa pagserbe sa kagurangnan. That represents actually the hope for the students na harain ka mo, yaon ako. I will always be a music trainer forever. Kung ano man ang mangyari, and at the same time, man po na Albay Musiko Rondalia, sino po iyan, so nagtugtog kanina, that's under JAB Music Studio. Kung kailangan niyo pong paratugtog sa events, nag-vlog. Kung kailangan nindong events, yaon po kami. Anyway, ayun po, ini pong mga youth na ini, different people, different youth, different persons na miyembro kang mga grupong ini. Ti ko lang sinda tuturuan magtugtog. Tigtuturuan ko sinda maging paratugdo din. Tigtuturuan ko sindang maging inspirasyon din kang iba. And that is the vision of JAB Music Studio. Not just a pure show, not just a performance, but it aims to inspire. It aims to inspire people. So, once again, ako po si Joram Aris Bibalyon, owner, founder kang kang JAB Music Studio, the music that inspires. Maraming salamat.
My reason on why I play the violin is mostly because of the violin structure and sound that it makes, alongside playing the church to praise God. My inspiration on playing the violin is because of the church members that I see playing the violin, which made me go curious and want to play the violin too.
Hi everyone, I'm Nathan's mom. Nathan started playing bandurria more than a year ago already. Nung una, napansin ko siya na browse na lang siya ng browse sa YouTube ng mga nagpe-play ng instrument. So, hindi ko lang pinansin. And then, isang araw, he told me that gusto daw niya mag-play ng bandurria and if I can buy him a bandurria para daw makapag-play siya. So, sabi ko, sige na nga, bibilhan ko siya ng bandurria para may iba naman siyang activity kasi kung sa bahay lang, magsa-cellphone lang, walang gagawin, manonood ng TV, sabi ko at least may iba siyang outlet. So, hindi ko naman in-expect na super magiging seryoso siya sa pag-play ng bandurria. So, nung nag-start na siyang magkuti-kuti dun sa bandurria niya, saka ko naisipan na ikuha siya ng tutor. Kasi super interested na siya, tapos tumitingin na siya sa mga online ng mga songs, tinatry niyang i-play ng siya lang. And surprisingly, nakakopy naman niya yung mga pinapanood niya. So sabi ko, baka talaga may talent siya sa music, kaya ikinuha ko siya ng tutor. Ang advice ko lang sa mga parents na kinakakitaan nila ng interest yung kids nila sa music, suportahan lang natin sila because hindi natin alam na may talent pala silang nakatago.
Bakit pangarap lang ang napili mong kanta?
Gusto kong kantahin yung Pangarap Lang by Yeng Constantino dahil mahilig ako sa OPM. And gusto kong kanta na masaya pero may lalim.
Since the song expresses a feeling of achieving a goal and having someone to support you along the way, sino itong mga tao na maituturing mong companion mo sa pag-achieve mo ng iyong goals at ano ang masasabi mo sa kanila?
I-dedicate ko tong kantang to, walang iba kundi sa family ko. Ang aking best mama, best kuya, and best Ira. Sila ang inspirasyon ko sa kantang ito. Pangarap lang dahil kahit anong pangarap pa yan, maging mataas na pangarap, alam po basta't sama-sama kami, makakaya ko to.
ko ay mabuti. Umahabol na sa pag-ikot ng mundo, sumabay sa awit ko. Sasakay ako sa aking pangarap, basta't ang kasama ko'y ikaw. Maliwanag, sasakay ako sa aking pangarap, hanggat ang laman ng puso ko'y ikaw. May liwanag. Woo! Sasakay ako sa ating pangarap, basta't ang kasama ko'y ikaw. May liwanag, sasakay ako sa ating pangarap, hanggat ang laman ng puso ko'y ikaw. May liwanag. Pangarap lang, pangarap lang. Sabayan niyo akong kumanta! Sasakay ako sa ating pangarap, hanggat ang laman ng puso ko'y ikaw. May liwanag.
Reason kung bakit ako tumutugtog is dahil na-miss po ako sa mga mukha and yung sounds po ng mga instruments. And parang yung music po is what makes me, make me calm, and ang nag-inspire po sa akin na tumugtog is yung mga musicians po na nakikita ko in social media, kasi gusto ko po maging sila in the future.
Sometimes late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it will all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, and we no more wars, and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when the feet of the souls of the innocent. Black church pavement, keep on moving to the water, stay raging. In this maze you can lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you, no way, no way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down, get me down. Negativity surround, I know someday it will all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, and we'll no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you.
I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all.
My strength when I was weak, you were my voice when I couldn't speak, you were my eyes when I couldn't see, you saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach, you gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Just made me fly, touch my hand, I could touch the sky. I lost my faith, you gave it back to me. You said the stars was out of reach. You stood by me and after all, I felt your love, I had it all. I'll be forever grateful, baby. Maybe I'm not much, but I know that much is true. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me.
You were always there for me.
The tender wind that carries me, light of the light, shining your love into my life.
You've been my inspiration.
Through the lies, you were the truth. My world is a better place because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. I'm everything I am because you love me.
so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
We would like to thank our performers and prayers, the AMR performers, and also who also became our production staff: Renny Cañada, Christian Phil Atos, Dave Russell Arwaso, Yukihiro Napay, Rondalia de Sanudes Tadeo, Mr. Joseph Perez, Christoph Perez, and Miss Christy Perez for the photos. And of course, Jessica Atento, palamahan po natin!
Siyempre, thank you din, special thanks to Miss Christine Armario. Na nasa na si Tien. To our host, Irish Adeline Tripulca, Stolen Shots Photography, Sir Josen and Miss Christy Perez, especially to Smart Speech Learning and Development Center, and LCC Event Center.